Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Sportsfest in my kids' school, and in this event, some students are selected to represent as candidates for Mr. and Miss Sportsfest. My mom friend's daughter is one of them, so she asked me to make a surfboard for her daughter's sports mimetics competition. First, I designed the surfboard graphic and printed it in a tarpaulin. The front side will have the design and the other side will be just a plain color that matches the front side. The dimensions of the tarpaulin is 3 by 5 feet and it already contains the surfboard designs for both front and back. Next step, cut the front design as close to its edge, but for the back side design, I added an inch allowance while cutting it out. Then trace the front side of the surfboard into the used box or cardboard. Trace 4 pieces of it, then cut. If you have skills in woodwork and equipped with the right tools, you can choose to make a surfboard out of a 1-inch plywood to make it realistic. But in this case, it should be used as a prop by a 3rd grader, so I'm going to make this as light as possible. Actually, the ideal length of a surfboard measures 7 to 8 feet, but I'm making this short only for this is just for a 3rd grader kid. Glue them all together, creating 4 layers of cardboard to make the surfboard thicker. I am using a contact cement adhesive to attach them. Then, press the layers of cardboard for better adhesion. My kids are enjoying on top of the boards like a surfboard. By the way, to use a contact cement, simply apply even coats of the adhesive to each material, then allow it to dry before sticking them together. Fix the edges with a packaging tape as well. Glue the tarpaulin with the back design on the cardboard. Pull the edges of the tarpaulin and glue it on the other side if possible, so the line segments are not seen. Finally, glue the front design on the cardboard. And here's our DIY surfboard ready for the Sportsfest! So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the process. For more DIYs and crafts, please subscribe and we'll see each other next time. Thank you for watching.